Come fly with us to Seattle.
Hi guys, the name is Thunder. Good morning, vlog. We're here in the acorn.
Good morning, guys. We're going to. Where are we going, Thunder?
Seattle.
Clementine.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Can I hold the camera?
Yeah, you can hold the camera. You want to hold it too? Okay. Do you see all those lots of planes there?
Yeah. 1, 2. Look, there's Seattle too. Look, the acorn Seattle.
I see airplane Seattle?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see that.
Okay.
I want to see a big sort of penguin.
Attention passengers. For your health and
Do you see here? There's United, there's Frontier.
Or within 15 feet of terminal doorways. Violators are subject to apply.
What is that? That's a chocolate?
No, it's a peanut.
Oh, it's on the floor.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
So hey guys, we're going in Seattle, and then look at all the acorns we got. 1, 2, 3,
Looks
4.
like there is 1, 2, 4 airplanes right now.
But there's a Seattle 1, 2.
The Seattle. So do you know which
Don't
airplane we're going to
step
be
in that.
flying?
Hello.
Thunder, we're flying. The airplane we're flying is Southwest.
Southwest. Mama.
Southwest. Are you a bird?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a cute bird. Thunder,
USA
what are you? A silly bird?
No.
USA Terminal 2 is located outside of security on the mezzanine level.
Come fly with us to Seattle.
See you guys later on.
Thank you.
Hi. Papa. Gigi. Mimi.
Hi guys!
Hi guys, we're here in my monkey egg. Hello. Good morning. And this is Daddy. So hi guys, we're here in the egg. My name is Thunder. My name is Thunder.
So we're flying from Chicago to Denver, which is our stopover, and all the way over to Seattle.
Mama, look at me.
We're actually gonna grab some lunch in Denver too. So I'm sure we'll be hungry by then.
Mommy.
Okay. Okay, let me show you. Ready? Monkey girl. Oh, careful! Careful, up, up,
I
up.
want to car.
Ashley Lee, Kimberly
Mama.
Leave it open. Unless you want it to be dark.
No.
No? Okay.
I got 2 windows.
We got 2 windows.
Faucet.
Yeah, you can.
Board folks, make your way to the back of the aircraft where you have aisles, windows, seats together, anything your little heart desires.
I'll do for you.
So we're here in McDonald's, and then we decide to eat something.
Oh, yummy. But what city are we in, Thunder?
Seattle.
This is Denver.
Denver.
But we're going to be going to Seattle soon. Clementine is hungry.
Can I talk to
Oh,
you?
go talk
so,
to her.
so we're going in Denver, and then we're gonna be hungry soon, and then our food. See you guys.
See you, Thunder. Okay. Hey, talk. What do you like to say, Clementine? Eat? Oh, yeah, we're all so hungry.
Are you hungry?
I am hungry.
Hi. Can I talk to her?
Okay.
This is Thunder. Hi guys, I'm hungry because I'm hungry. See you.
So-
and mommy. Mommy, can I talk So I got recess go wide in my airplane.
You were in the airplane, yeah? Saturday?
And then it goes so
It was like a super fast airplane, right, Thunder?
I like Batman so fast.
I know. It's like as fast as Superman.
Like this.
Really?
Yeah.
Very cool.
And I just fall.
You fell when the plane touched down?
Yeah. He just walked too fast.
Okay, no. Oh. Did you take a nap, Thunder, or you watch a movie?
I'm gonna take a nap.
No, you watch a movie.
I take a nap. Hey guys.
Attention to headquarters. This is the final training launch for Southwest 47 Salt Lake City, 1846. If you're ticketing from
Hi guys.
Salt Lake City,
Cool.
Southwest 19.
Yeah. Would you give us a hi to? Hi guys, my name is Thunder. Hi guys, my name is Thunder. Hi guys, my name is Thunder.
The kids are so silly. These are so funny. Okay, Thunder.
Mommy, how about me?
McDonald's is here.
Water for the kids, okay?
Oh wow, yummy.
Thank you, Dada.
Thank
We
you.
don't have the Happy Meal bag.
Oh, they ran out.
Let me get some ketchup.
Everyone. Delicious, Thunder?
Okay, bye.
Apple.
Quarter pounder.
Apple.
No.
Is that what you got from the Happy Meal?
Yeah, we have that.
Mario?
Yeah?
Mario
this is
toy?
Luigi.
It's Luigi.
Yeah.
This one is Princess Peach.
Princess Peach. But why her hair like a pony?
Oh, because her hair is long.
Yeah, but why he's so good to put his hair?
Very pretty dress she does have.
Look at Super Luigi. But why he get die? But why he get die? Me help. Mama, can I what's in your phone?
Later. Hey guys.
You're in the airplane now. We can.
We're going now.
Hey, I got this. Seattle. What? And then
Later, Babu.
we're eating.
We're gonna eat some snacks shortly.
In the airplane.
Yes, in the airplane. So see you soon, Seattle. We're finally here in Seattle. And in our rental car.
Hi guys, we're here in the rental car. Look at where I'm now.
We're all excited because we're gonna grab some dinner.
I'm wearing my car seat. Look.
Wow! Big kid car seat.
Yeah. I love this.
Popsy is driving there, and we're excited. We'll see you where we're gonna eat. We still don't know where to eat though
Hello.
for dinner.
See you.
Oh, good.
Say see you guys.
See you. Bye. See you. Bye.
We're here at our hotel, Thunder.
Hi, guys. Hi,
We're finally
welcome.
here.
Welcome to Seattle. Yay!
Mama, look, my name's over here.
It's mommy's name. We're gonna eat now. Good night, munchkins. Sleep tight. Is it midnight already? Sleepy. Sleepyhead. Ready for bed. Showered. Good night. Good night, Clementine. Ariel.
Yeah,
Good night, Babu.
this is the one I want.
Oh, the toy in the TV?
Yeah,
Oh.
that one.
Can you blow kiss? Blow kiss?
I'm doing it.
You don't need to. The underblow kiss. Good night, kids.